Hey everybody, here working on our garden today. I've got myself, Dave, my lovely wife, Kelly, who's gonna do her best not to drive me too crazy, and I, vice versa, will try not to drive her crazy. We're filling our garden bed today. So our plan is, and I will be helping her with this, I'm not gonna make her do all the good hard work, but we're taking our old compost bin stuff, and that'll be our base layer in our raised bed. And then over here, we've also got dogs helping us, our Beagle pack. I've got all of our dirt. We went with Garden Time, which is a Grow Well product. Grow Well is a local, I'm going to say, soil provider that I've heard good things about. I really wanted to get the Arizona Worm Farm stuff, but they had, their machine was broken, so we couldn't use them right now. And then we also have a little bit of steer manure to mix in. And then for around our tomatoes, I am told, I think you can see them there, yeah. Banana peels. So we'll try all that good stuff, let you know how it goes. And we'll film some steps. Other than right now, you can see, I think, how we're doing the old manual labor thing to get our compost into the base. But I got to get to work, otherwise I'm going to get yelled at. So we'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay, phase one is done. That is what it looks like after we've got our compost bin. I guess I'm going to say a mixture of all the yard waste we've accumulated in it for a little while. And next we'll start throwing some dirt on. All right, here we are. Dirt is in. Kelly is in the process of putting in a couple trellises so that we can hopefully train some of the zucchini and some of the cucumbers up that. We'll see how that works out. And this is kind of what we envisioned as far as our placement for tomatoes and peppers. We're going to give them lots of space and hope that that helps them grow really well. And then down here in this area, we're going to do radishes because they come up quick and we like them a lot. And zucchini and cucumber. So we'll see how this all works, but that's the master plan. Well, here we are. A couple hours later and a little bit of work, and dirt's in, seeds are in, soaker hose is in, and plants are in. So anyway, now it's just the magic of time, and we'll see how it all goes. But it's been a lot of fun so far getting it to this stage, and we're hoping for good things this year. Hope you're having fun with your gardening too. Enjoy this beautiful weather and have a great rest of your Sunday. Bye-bye.